How's it going? How's it going? So yeah, oops. That is what I want to see right here. I want to see us go to midnight open and then reverse to the downside, essentially. But I do believe we are gonna play a lot with current session today. I think that's what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna play a lot with the current session, to be honest. Celine, are you at Guapo right now or are you home? Okay, we got some manipulation just right now. You're home, okay. We've got some manipulation just right now. Let me check the news real fast. What are we, this 23rd? Okay, we're the 23rd. Existing home sales at 10. 2 minutes ago, literally. Bro, holy. Is it me? I would have stayed in bed today. I would have, dead ass stayed in bed. Sweet potato was good. Dead ass would have stayed in bed. Starting to chirp, to chip? What do you mean? Oh, your belly? Yeah. Yeah, and stumped as well. I would have stayed in bed today. But hey, days like these, they happen. They happen, they happen, they happen. They happen, they happen, they happen. You want to stay in bed, but you wake up still because you're consistent, and you wake up still because you're disciplined, right? And we are disciplined. We're waking up in the morning, we're consistent, and we have goals to achieve. And with these goals, you gotta wake up. So yeah, that was my motivational speech of the day. You're in bed right now. Bro's on his side with the MacBook tilted. Holy. All right, let's see here. We may see some manipulation here in about a minute from now. We may see some manipulation. That's exactly how I'd be. Holy fuck. Holy sweet potato. How close are you to passing that account? By the way, how close are you? Where's Dev? Where's Dev this morning? Oh shit, we're missing Dev. Where's Dev? He's probably at work, but where's Dev? We're missing Dev. Not that close anymore from yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was an unfortunate manipulation, to be honest, and it ended up playing out. Both playing out. PM played out. AM played out. Just a shitty manipulation. Unfortunately. See, I got lucky with the break-even. I got lucky. I'll be honest. I got lucky. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Manipulation in a minute here. Let's have a moment of silence for it while I drink some water. All right, moment of silence is done. 5 seconds. Same trend line downloads as yesterday. Yes, creating a lot of LRLR. All right, nothing from that manipulation at all right here. Nothing at all. We didn't even sweep anything right here with the manipulation right there. We didn't even sweep these highs right there, so not telling us anything. Willie, what do we have for open? Snake, what's good, Snake? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Hold on. Here we go. I'm back. My nose is runny, so I had to, I had to do the thing. All right. Let's see. I cannot wait to see what open has to offer us. I would like us to sweep these highs and then reverse. We have some support right there. Hoping we're gonna drop. We have some support right here on that per value gap right there. Hello support. So I wouldn't mind us going up there and then reversing. But yeah, quick question, boys and girls. I was thinking of doing a Alpha Futures giveaway. No worries. Alpha Futures giveaway today, where I would just send you the money, honestly, and you would buy it yourself. Because I don't have the power to do it myself. I would just send you the money and do it. You do it yourself, or if you don't want to buy an account, you do whatever the fuck you want with it. But what do you guys think? Yeah, the third, it would be the zero account. They're 30% off right now, so we're all winners. You know me, I'm a Jew. You know me, but nah. Well, I think it would be nice. And then throughout the month, I would give away 3 Bullnox accounts. 3 Bullnox accounts. Send the money over. Dude, we'll see. But yeah, I think at the end of the stream, I'm gonna do a roulette, and from the people that's in the stream, that's when we'll see. What's good, Alex? How's it going? We got Alex. There's a lot of Alec and Alex. Hold on. My nose is hella runny today. Holy. But yeah, what do you guys think? Would you guys like that? I have to send the money though. I have to send the money and not the account. I don't know how I could send the account. Sure, okay. Although Alex, you won't participate because you don't trade futures, right? So unless No, you're in Romania. It's banned anyway. It's banned in Romania anyway. So, but yeah, I think we're gonna do the giveaway today since there's a 30% code off until tomorrow. So that would be nice. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. It is. It's still in the banned. It's still in the banned section on prop firm match, prop firm match, whatever. Still banned. But once I do the bull knocks, I got you though. Top 7. Top 7 is not. Nah, I'm giving away an Apex. An Alpha, sorry, not an Apex. Alright, hold on. Open in about 3 minutes, 2 minutes here. Let's see, I'm excited. What do you guys think? Willie says we're dropping here. I'm thinking the same, but we'll see. We'll see on open. Should we gamble? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, Bulldogs is available. Yeah, because Santino Bullbox. Bull Sorry, that's funny. Bullbox ready to full port. Okay, he's ready to full port. I should have taken a shit this morning. Line will not yield this post. Dude, I should have as well. Alright, we've taken these highs right there. Highs were taken on the resistance and pre-market sweep right here. Let's see, open in about a minute 30 here. I would have liked to see that on open, to be fair, but it is completely fine. It is completely fine. I really would have loved to see it on open though. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. We do have a nice 15 seconds though. But we need to go in that gap, then inverse. Which one? 15 seconds? Open in a minute here. Yeah, I don't think that's. I think that's ass. Open in a minute here. Open in a minute. Let's look at the stocks a bit. 15. You want to go up there? You want to go up there? Is that what you're saying? Open in 50 seconds here. Oh, I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. That's all I gotta say. I'm cold this morning. It is cold. It is hotter than before though, than normally, but I'm cold. Hey, we're 15 in here. All right, open in 30 seconds, boys and girls. Freezing here, yeah. I mean, it's cold, but the sun is there, so the sun is doing its thing, you know. All right, let's see here in 24 seconds, essentially. We do this right here. Hopefully, I don't lag out today. I forgot to open my shit to when if I lag out. Ain't no sun here. There's no sun there. Okay, but we'll see. We'll see on open. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. There's a lot of sun this morning. This morning, my bird woke me up again. All right, open in 3 seconds here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, no movement down, Willie. What's this? What's happening, Willie? Are you lying to us? I thought there was gonna be a movement down here. All right, no movement down. What have we swept here? We've swept this. We've swept this as well. No, we haven't. No inverse right there on the 15 seconds. Glad I didn't chase that. Holy. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yep. No inverse on the 15 seconds whatsoever. It just keeps going right now. All right. Let's see if we can get our midnight open right there. I do believe we're gonna play with the current session a lot today. I do believe. Bro, you said it was gonna be bearish. What are you saying? Willie's lying now. Okay, we've tapped into that one gap right here. All right, we've been waiting. We've been waiting, Drew. We have. For real, we did. All right, let's see. Super choppy still. I'm gonna stop looking at the 15 seconds here. Although we are about to inverse that one right there. Did we? No, we didn't. We just tapped into it. Sorry, almost died right there. Just tapped into it. All right, so we're gonna wait for the actual setups here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient. No inversion on that 15 again. Just tapping into it and then kind of chopping around. All right, now it did inverse. It did inverse. I did not take it. Not take it because it's not right at open. But it is hitting. It is hitting. Let's see. It is hitting. Yep, it hit for more than 10 points. Now it's reversing. All right, let's see. Now I really want to see us go up there and then get something. Holy fucking reversal right there. Imagine you had chased at the close. Imagine you had chased at the close. Not chase, sorry, but imagine you entered that short and didn't chase at the close of the 15 seconds. Imagine. We're just going to be patient here. We're going to wait. My chart's looking weird. My chart's looking weird for some reason. But yeah, we're going to be patient here. We're gonna wait. A bit of a choppy open, to be honest, and did not take anything. We're gonna wait for this level right there at the top, and if we get it, we get it. Tapped into 05 in the range daily 2 for longs. You check that. Oh, it did. 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 IBM. What did IBM do today? I'm still looking, by the way. Holy. All right. It's down. It's hella down. Ella down. We're just chopping on open though. Like actually, we're just chopping, so we're gonna be super patient here. Hopefully it's not one of those days, but we're gonna be patient. How was everyone's morning? Get a sip of water. How was everyone's morning? Hopefully you guys had a wonderful morning, to be honest. Feeling better now? Oh hell yeah. What did you have to eat? Work, so man. Yeah, true. It's ass. What did you have to eat? What did you have to eat? Bro, I'm pissed. Yesterday, I opened my mails, right? And I'm like, oh, okay, I got my phone bill. Nice. I'm gonna pay it my little $40. The phone bill is fucking 163 bucks. Bro, I was like, what? Then I open another mail and it's another bill to pay my fucking car fucking plates. I was like, ah, fucking fuck me, dude. We'll find out how fast it is. Find out how it is after I log out. Bearish SMT, let's see. Dude, my charts are super weird for some reason. I don't like it. Do I see a bearish SMT here? Charts are weird as hell. I don't see a bearish SMT now. Super weird. Maybe it's because I'm zoomed out, but I feel like my charts are weird. Is it? Okay, there we go. Now we're good. Oh, you were looking at gold chart, dummy. But yeah, it's super choppy right now. We're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna be, you know me, we're patient. That's what we gotta do. We're patient. We're patient. We're really patient. Yeah, honestly, it's with this week. I took a couple of trades on the eval, but I took one break even on the funded. Like it's one of those weeks where it's slow as fuck. It's one of those weeks, and it happens. You know, a lot of people in the creator space are down a lot this week. I'm happy I was able to keep it at -$7 on my funded. You know, Zach, what's good, Zach? How did it go yesterday, Zach? How did it go yesterday? How did it go? Because this one thing I've noticed this month is market gives us setup, taps us out break even, and then just continues afterwards. That's what I've noticed. We're really resisting on the 50% of the daily range right here. It is a good confluence to have, but look at how uncorrelated the two assets are. Right here we have the 50%, and right here we have the 50%. Super uncorrelated. Will, you know, G, Will, what do we do when it's uncorrelated? What do we do when it's uncorrelated? I haven't talked about that in a while. Does Will remember? That's a big question. Oh, maybe Snakes know. Snakes got all the technical down. All of it. We trade it? Nah. We kind of wait for it to recorrelate. We wait for it to recorrelate. Now the correlation is maybe more due to Asia, so we don't really care. But right now, it's not good, but it's not like it's not it's correlated outright for New York session. Let's see if we can make an SMT. If we are going to make an SMT here, which asset is going to take it first, boys? Which one is going to take it first, boys and girls? Just buy one and short the other. Which assets are we going to make an SMT off of? Which asset is going to take London High first? Top 10 light, till right, yeah, full port ES on one side, full port AQ on the other. Yep. 5 minute looks better. Really good 5. Let me look at the 5. Oh shit, okay, it does. The 5 minute does look good. We are about to inverse this one right there. On the 5 minute. We are about to inverse. This isn't the financial advice, yeah, no. Yeah, yes, we put London highs first, and we're gonna make an SMT off of that. We're about to inverse the 5 minute here in about 3 minutes, which at this point I think is gonna be too high. But if we can take London high on ES and midnight open on NQ, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's look for shorts if we can do that. That's what I would like to. Yeah, damn, Solana's pumping. Fuck me. All right. But yeah, if we can sweep midnight open, first on GC, well, You're longs? You're in longs right now? First presented? Nah, there's no first presented yet. This is 9:30, 9:31. No first presented yet. Or on the 5 minute. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You're longs on you're longs right now? I'm confused, boys. I'm confused. What are we saying? Oh, okay, okay. 20, 25, 100, 101. Okay, I'm seeing this high right there. That's what I'm seeing as well. Honestly, 086 for me. Honestly, we have the midnight open right here. Theta, talk to us about the midnight open, Theta. But I don't see the first presented. Yeah, I do not know on GC. On Nasdaq right here, right? We have this. If we go up a bit, let's say right here, and then we tap back into the first presented and make an IFVG for some longs, we could look for longs. It would be a risky one though, but we could be looking for longs. I doubt it's gonna happen. I really doubt. I really, really doubt. No, it's because it's at if you look at it, it's at 9:30. It's with the 9:30 candle, so it doesn't count right here. It's with the 9:30 candle. Yeah, no, it can't be the 9:30. It can't. It has to be past 9:30. So yeah, it's from 9:31 to whatever, you know. It cannot be the paired with the 9:30 candle. Nope. It cannot touch the 9:30 candle. Like right here, let's say I had a fair value gap within this one and these two, couldn't work because that's a 9:30 right here. All right, boys, we'll see. But yeah, boys, I got a bill for my plates yesterday. Like my plates on my car. It's dumb expensive. Plus my car, it's not like a race car or anything. Of course, it's the top model for its thing, but it's not a race car at all. And it's not an insane car either. It's a casual car. And 190 for plates. I was like, bro, what? I'm cooked. But I'll just pay it. I'll pay it last minute though. Am I the only one that just pays it? Am I the only one that pays his bills last minute? Canada's taxing. Yes, we have taxes on gas. We have 350. 350. And there's no way you're paying 350. And how many cars you got? I think you got 2 cars, right? Now we're boys, we're just chilling. We're just talking. We're not speaking trading too much because we're waiting for our setups. But once for the new ones like OG, once we get to that place where we have a setup, I'm locked in. But right now we're just talking and speaking. Alec is chilling because he's got no car. You just get it over with. I don't. I hate spending money. 3, my insurance 800. Oh, my insurance is 100, and they try to up it, right? They try to, dude. I'm such a, They try to up it, right? They were like upping it for $12 per month. Let's call it 10. Let's call it 10 for us for an easy calculation. So 120 a year. I called them. I'm like, bro, you're dropping that back down, or I'm leaving. I was never in a crash. I never got a ticket. You're dropping it down, or I'm leaving. They dropped it down, and they gave me a free towing. So yeah, bro, you got to do what you got to do. You got to do what you got to do. Okay, we'll keep going up. We did not get anything from the first presented right here. We're about to tap that midnight open plus possibly a session SMT. If we get a London session SMT, I would love this. But if we don't get a London SMT and we still tap the midnight open, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not sure. Your insurance should drop once you turn 25. Should it? Damn, I don't want to be 35 though. Lumen knows because he's a nun. Bro, I tell them I'm gonna leave if they don't lower it and they raise it even higher. What's your credit score? What's your credit score? It's 458 for my scooter. Bro, what? What the hell? What the fuck? But yeah, I mean, if your credit score is low, maybe. Maybe they can put a shit higher. I don't know. All right, let's see here. We may get the midnight open. Really? Even in Canada? A month? No way, dude. I'm not paying per month. My plates, I'm paying it per year. Did you ever got in a crash, OG? Oh no, insurance doesn't change. I think we're talking about plates or something. What about an inversion of first presented along with SMT? Yeah, along with an SMT, yes. I mean, it's a bit far though, but yes. I mean, oh no, it's not far. Look at the range here, boys. We've talked about this in the course yesterday, in the class. Icaria. 80.4, 84-point range. Is this a big range or is this a small range? We could create LRLR to first presented for value gap to inverse to take LRLR. You're thinking about LRLR right here? We could, we really could. 942, okay, we're not nothing right here. We haven't swept anything, boys, so even if we inverse, we haven't swept anything, but this could be good for our continuation right here, if we can just move down a bit right here. Yeah, under 100 point is small. I had an accident like 5 years ago, though. It is a possibility. I had a lady back into my car, my first car, and she tried to leave. Yes, orange rolled in 17 minutes. She tried to leave, but I was getting my hair cut, and like she was a client of the hairdresser or whatever it's called. So she got caught. Okay, nothing here. We are possibly gonna make a 30-second here from the tap of the. We didn't tap in the first present. I'm sorry. Let's not look for anything. We didn't tap. We did not tap into the first present, and we're gonna be patient. Patience is super important with this. We didn't tap. We didn't tap. Putting auto clicker on buy if it starts going long after we. I think inversion out of first present sounds pretty good for shorts. We need to sweep something though. In my opinion, we need to sweep something right here. We just cooked the fair value right here for our continuation model, but we need to sweep something in order to inverse that one. Well, in order to be an A setup, at least. At least. Hold on. All right, we're back. What's crypto saying? Went up on open. It's now down. Solana went up $2, but it is now down, unfortunately. All right, it really cooked us right there. Really cooked us. I think it's gonna hit the 10 a.m. low. Okay, we've hit the 12 a.m. Midnight open. Sorry. Let's see if we can get a nice SMT right here. 2 points away on ES. I would really like to see an SMT right here. If we get an SMT, let's go. I like us to move a bit higher though, so we can actually make a fucking fair value gap right here. I would really love that. If we can move a bit higher, we need to move higher anyway in order to get that. But we've tapped the midnight open. We're now about to make a session SMT right here. Now we're locked in. We're about to make a session SMT right here. This would be nice. I wouldn't mind. Okay, session SMT was made. Session SMT is made, boys and girls. Let's see if we can create a nice IFEG right here. We have a 30 seconds, but 20 point lower. So let's try to see if we can make something here. Let's see. Holy. What's happening? Jesus, I can't even see my candles anymore on my 30 second. Alright, we're back. We're back. How many points? That's what, 20 points here? 20 points, yeah. We still have the SMT. It's super strong though. It's the momentum is insane right here. I'm not gonna stay away. I'm gonna stay away from the 30 seconds. I don't know what the fuck's happening. Automatic shorts here. Dude, this thing is super strong. Oh shit, I forgot to do my DCA, but this thing is super strongly bullish here. I don't know what's happening. We're gonna wait for the we're literally 8 points away. We're gonna wait for that. Literally 8 points. I think it's smarter to wait for a proper sweep on NQ as well. We're way too close. Way too close here. Way too close. Alright, let me buy some. Now that it pumps, I'm gonna buy. Fuck it. Yeah, larger. Yes, we are. I mean, we don't want it to be too big, but at least you are correct. We are. Did you actually short OG? OG. Alright, let's see here. That's done. Did I do my Bitcoin DCA today, boys? Oh, okay. We love OG, bro. OG's funny. He makes me laugh. He texted me this morning. So, bro, do you like sushi? I was like, of course I do like sushi. Who doesn't like sushi? You guys like sushi, by the way? All right, let me just see if I. Are we October 20? Nah, I didn't do my DCA. Let me do my DCA. Hell yeah, sushi's fire. Bro, Alec, I talked to him about Shogun Sushi. I told him about Shogun Sushi. It's fire, bro. Sushi's fire. Okay, so we have tapped the midnight open. We have made an SMT here. If we are to get that inversion, I'm not too sure, but let's look at the higher time frame. I'm not liking the 1 minute. It's a bit far. 3 minute looks good. I like the 3 minute here. I really do. I really do like the 3 minute here. We have also swapped this one high right here. It's a prominent high, if we remember from yesterday, right? In the little class that we had. Let's just hope in the 50. I like the 3 minute here. I really do. Where did you eat? Where did you eat? Where was the best place that you ate? Where was it? Put us on. Put us on. We're in Canada. There's not the best places. And then again, where you live, maybe. Maybe. But where I live, it's Temeki, bro. Everywhere you can imagine. Bro, I feel like, dude, Guapo lives a good ass life. Whataburger in Texas. There's sushi at Whataburger? Alright, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient here. We're gonna be patient. I'd really like to see this sweep, though. I really would like to see it. This is really something I'd like to see. I'd really like to see this one. This would be so good if we can sweep it. No, no, I've never went to Whataburger. The only burger place I know is Burger King. Yeah, it's too bullish here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. I'm not gonna risk it. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. The only place I've had burgers was at McDonald's and fucking um A&W's. Yeah, and Burger King. Waiting for the 1 hour to close. We could be inversing this smaller one right here, but that's the high that we want right there. If we can get that high right here, let's fucking do it. Oh shit. Okay. God damn, with the OVO shirt and everything. Dude, fire. Thing is, it's so expensive. Like, you get like 5 sushi, costs you fucking $30. Sushi with Achito? I don't know. That's ghetto as hell. Alright, we're about to sweep it. 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 I don't think it's Hot Cheetos, no. I don't think it's Hot Cheetos. It's probably like okay, we swept right here. We've swept it as hell. Wait, OG, you've had Hot Cheetos on sushis? We've swept it right here. Nice. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta lock in. But yo, OG, you've had Hot Cheetos with sushi? Maybe it's fire. Maybe we're hating with fire. Yeah, 3 minute looks good. I like the 3 minute here. 3 minute to unfill for value gap. I like it. If you just keep pumping, yo, what's good as? What's good, what's good, what's good? No, I thought that was okay. Okay. I don't know. In the US, you guys be eating some weird shit. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right. We want to see this. If we keep pumping here, boys, it's fucking cooked. It's fucking good. Yeah, I mean, fucking I'll be Lumen. I'll be sending Lumen some reels about a guy that eats a lot of shit. What's the profit target? $1 billion. $1 billion, but I would really like us to just invert something right here. We're just pumping and pumping and pumping, which is good for the stocks. It's good for the stocks. I'm happy for my stocks, but overall, shitty for us. Shitty for us if we just keep going. Bill Reese makes me hungry. Top step, bro. Wait, what's happening? What do you mean? What do you mean by top step? What do you mean? What do you mean? Didn't Canada come with bacon and donut on who? Who does that? Nobody does that. Come on now. Come on. Rap de travailler, bro. Fire. Oh shit, wrong thing. Maple, what's the profit target on? Oh, there's no profit target. It's really what the market gives you. It's always what the market gives you. You just risk more like $400. Oh, he's asking about the profit target. Yeah, on EVA it's 3K. 3K. Rad still has fire. Syrup on fried chicken? Hell nah. You turned it away? Okay. So now you're up 1.2. Do you want to keep it at that? Still going up? Yeah. Do you want to keep it at 1.2 or do you want to, bro? My 30-second chart is literally a fucking Drake candle right here. Literally. We should have four-pointed longs on open. That's what we should have done. We should have four-pointed longs. I'm sorry. All right, let's see here. If we just keep going, bro. Holy. You're up 2.7? You four-pointed it? Dude, just wait. You full-ported it? How much did you make today? If As can pass his account, bro, I would be so happy. Holy fuck, Has 800? Okay. Do an A plus setup with a normal sizing. Do an A plus setup with normal sizing. Wait for an A plus setup with normal sizing where you make normally your $300. Wait for an A plus and then from there call it a day. Wait for an A plus. DV was good, DV. DV is the OG. If you look at when DV joined, he joined July 31st, 2024. That is when I created the Discord on my birthday. Sweep Asia and IIVG plus fair value up on 1 hour. Where's Asia? Oh, you took that right there? Took that, dude. You're a London demon. I swear to God, you're a London demon. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, this was fire. This one was fire. Really happy you took that. I'm happy you took that. Did you like imagine you had held the whole thing? All right, we're kind of seeing some sort of reversal movement here. Let's look at the higher time frame now because the 3 minute doesn't look good. Yeah, dude. If you would have held that, holy. Drew was good, Drew. How's it going? All right, we're cooking here. We're gonna do the giveaway at about 10:40. Which the giveaway is gonna work that I'm gonna. Yeah, sir. What's the question? The giveaway is gonna work that I'm gonna send you the money that a Alpha Future to Zero is worth, but you're gonna need to buy it today though because there's a discount code on there. Yeah, I'm giving away an Alpha Future account today to the people that are in here in the live stream. 4 hour for value gap. I don't really look at the 4 hour, but let's look at it. Yes, we are tapping in. We are tapping on the 4 hour right now. It's so damn bullish though. I want a trade already with Orbital MAQ, but GC hasn't broke my level. Should I wait to take a trade on GC2? You're up 400 on the day. You're up 400 on the day. Keep it like that. Keep it at that. Oh shit, it has his $27 away from passing. Holy shit, $17. Sorry. I would keep it at the 400. WS, bro. So lockout, yes, lockout. We do not want to get back into that vicious cycle. Lockout. All right, we make it an inversion right here. Make it an inversion. It will be the first inversion. We're tapping into a 1 minute. We've swapped some liquidity at the top right here, which is not the. You're locked. Okay. All right, boys. Has needs to pass it. I'm locked out for the day somehow. I don't know what happened. You sure? Maybe you locked out yesterday night, thinking it was gonna unlock you out today. That is a possibility. You locked out yesterday morning? There's a glitch right now. Is Yaya here? There's a glitch right now with that they keep you locked out. There's a glitch right now. If you aren't in their Discord, there's a glitch right now. Nothing yet. No. There's a glitch right now. Yeah, right? I think there's a glitch right here. Hold on. Fuck. My shit's cooked. But yeah, there's a glitch right now that keeps you locked out. But nothing yet, Ryan. What about dude, it's so bullish. Holy fuck. Holy, it's so bullish. I had a bullish bias, but wanting some reversal right here. But nothing. It's just continuing. I think the earnings on Tesla was like a feud where they know it's good, but the numbers just weren't that great. But it had its biggest earning. It missed 2 out of 3 of these weekly highs. I never look at the weekly, but let's do it. That's all-time highs. I wouldn't bet against all-time highs though, but holy. Dude, weekly is bullish as hell, boys. Look at this. 1040. 1040, I'm gonna do the giveaway at 1040-ish. If we don't have anything, we'll do the giveaway. I'm gonna do the spin the wheel thingy and put everyone's name. Spin the wheel. Spin giveaway. Here we go. Spill of name, wheel of name, whatever that's called. Okay, Az. Okay, make sure you're back at 1040 though, Az. Make sure you're back at 1040. What class you got? What class you got? It's so bullish right here, boys. It's unfortunate, but for us, but you guys know. Yeah, I'll text you. It's really unfortunate for us. For class at 1040. If you actually need the class to leave, if you actually need to leave, like I'll still put your name. Like if you cannot be there because of not because you're lazy, because you have something, I'll be your name. Okay, it'll be on your phone. Okay. Now we gotta know, is anybody from Romania here or something like that in Eastern Europe? Because if so, I cannot give it to you. I don't think so though. Patricia, you're probably not from there. Are you good? Theta, you're not from there either. All right, well, good. We're good. I'll look at the look at the list of the banned countries real fast while we're not seeing anything. Like even if we inverse here, boys, it's just reversing off what, you know? Um. Mm, 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 mm. Nobody's from well, I'll just send a screenshot. I'll just send a screenshot. Just send a screenshot. Fuck it. Even if we inverse here, there's nothing for us. We're just reversing off nothing. These are the list of the bank countries. So if you're from there, make sure let me know. No, nothing right here. Unfortunately, reversing off of what? If we reverse, you know, nothing. Yes, we have a high rate there, but this high is it obvious on the map? Is it obvious if I zoom out? No. What's obvious here? This is obvious right here. So nothing for us really here. Just switch the song. Should still be up. GG. Yeah. Unfortunate. We're super close to all-time highs here as well. We're about 200 points away, I believe. Let's check. 200 points from all-time highs, which is really, really close. I really would have loved us to just go back to these levels right here. If we get to these levels by with some sort of catalyst, hell yeah. Hell yeah. We have a 30-second inversion, by the way. I'm not taking this, but we have a 30-second inversion. But I would call this a B minus. Debrief from Somalia, unfortunately. Damn near. Damn near. Damn near. Hold on here. Let me just check something real fast. Hold on. Hold on. It's gonna be a zero plan. Let's see here. Hold on. Alright, so it's $69 USD. Let's do USD to CAD. So the 30-second looks like it's working right now, but it's super choppy. Super choppy. So I'm gonna send a $69 to whoever wins, and you do not have to pay for activation fee because there's no activation fee. So I think that's better, you know. And I wanted to give a top step, but on top step I would spend less, but you would have had to spend money on activation fee. Now if you pass it, you don't have to spend any activation fee. So there's an inversion to the upside right there. Put my name 3 times on the wheel. Guapo wants it. He wants it. He really wants it. He really wants it. There's gonna be put me 18 times. I'll put you 30 times. Maybe possible inversion right here, but you know, this is just continuation really in premium right here for my boy Celine. Right. Boys. I'll put you guys, I'll put you guys 5 times. Nah, I put everyone 1 time. Alright, no inversion here. 30 seconds still holding. I am not in. I'm just letting you know I am not in that trade. I am not in. Alright, let's see. We're still super I mean it's you're in the long? Where? Holy dump right here. We have news just right now, by the way. Yeah, we have news just right now. Really careful to look at your news. We have news right now. At 10, it's existing home sales. Actual, so it's not gonna move the market too much because it's perfect. Now it was forecasted at 4.06 million. Actual 4.06 million. Next news is at 10:25 with bar speaking and natural gas storage at 10:30. If you're on a MFFU funded, be careful with natural gas storage. I do believe it is a T1. But yeah, right now it's just going up, boys. It's just going up and up and up, which is good for the portfolio. But is it really good for us as day traders? Not really. Not really. Okay, nice little dump here. Let me see the portfolio today. Hey, I'm up $4 today. 0.0 something percent. Hell yeah. What's your position size on my investments? Or how many contracts do I use normally? Ledger's happy. Thanks. Oh, okay, you're talking to Guapos. We're praying for that. But yeah, right now it's just bullish. Bullish. We did inverse. No, we didn't. Me or him? Me, I use 1. It uses MNQ, I use NQ. I haven't traded MNQ in so long. 1 mini, yeah. 1 mini. 1 mini it is. Choppy, choppy, choppy around this area right here. Really sucks that we just completely went up right there. Zach, did you take something and did it go well yesterday? Oh shit. Super choppy here, boys. Unfortunate. Not choppy, but super like just, this is just completely going up right here with nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Do we have it? Is spam here? Yeah, spam is here. We love spam. Still tapping on the 10 a.m. 10 a.m.'s right here, sorry. Bull or beer? Overall, that was bearish today, but this just gives us some bullish vibes here. Every stocks is up. Every stocks is going up, at least. Everything's up but Tesla right now. So yeah, it's really giving bullish vibes. Although I was bearish on the day, it's important to not be married to your bias. If we can tap back into the 50% plus the, was it BE day? Okay, okay. Tap into the 10 a.m., which we don't care really right now. We're about to make a bearish SMT here, though. The thing is, we're so far from our sweep, but we are about to make a bearish SMT, most likely right here. Most likely we will. I was thinking of streaming on YouTube in the PMs. What do you guys think? I just don't know how to do it on the shorts, but I was thinking of doing it. What do you guys think? Would you guys like that more, or TikTok's good? I'm not sure. But yeah, Oscar, OG, you'll notice that um, the reason you did not want to be married to you. This is old. I haven't posted on the WAP in so long. Stick to TikTok. Okay, okay. I haven't posted on the WAP in so long. I just posted in the Discord. It's better. I think I haven't posted on the WAP since like, dude, my connection can't handle that. My fucking, I can't. Gaddy, paid ad for real. Paid ad. It's super choppy right here. We're reacting off the 10 a.m. though, but super choppy for us, which is really really shady to be honest. Nothing here. Super, 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 super shady. I would have really liked to see a nice reaction of that. We got a nice reaction of the 50%. I do not think it was there at the time though. But let's see. Let's see if we can create something. If we can create some nice volume to the outside with a nice SMT, maybe, depending. It better go back up. Bro's in along right now, screaming in the chop. Is there something you notice about price action here, boys and girls? Is there something you notice that you like or don't like right here about price action? Let me know. I need to know. Is there something you like or don't like about this price action right here? Trick question. The chop, okay. Apart from the chop, okay. Two good answers right now. Theta, what about you? Theta, is your psychology holding well? Theta knows how to trade. He doesn't knows how to handle his psychology though, but Theta knows how to trade. Arguably better than all of us. But he doesn't know how to do his psychology. Is the psychology good, Theta? Theta the GOAT, bro. Maintaining a balance between the internal chop. Yeah, it's choppy as fuck right now. That's what we have right now. It's just super choppy. What range point are we in right now? 40-point range in 20 minutes. Hold on here. Let me check if Trump posted anything. I doubt it, but let's see. Previous week high on NQ. Let me check. Oh, dump. It's dumping. Rip Guapo. Hasn't posted anything. Hasn't posted. Previous week high. Hey, shit. OG was right about that. I did not know. Did it? It did. Did it actually? Just right now? Was that today? Or oh, was it right there? Did we go there today? We didn't go there today. That was yesterday. So it tapped previous week high right there. So you're looking for shorts right here, Theta. Is that what you're saying? Is that what Theta's saying right here? So I haven't taken anything. Nope. Is that what Theta's saying? Looking for previous. Do I just get out? I mean, bro, it is a shitty setup. How much down are you? How down are you? That's the question. Sorry. Not how much down, but how down are you? Rather than how much down. 350? Yeah, get out. Get out, bro. Get out, get out, get out. No point yet. No point. Get out. Get out for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. 350. You don't want to be cooking all your profits, you know? So Tite, you're looking for some short right now. Is that what you're telling us? Is that what Tite is telling us? Better than 1K? Yeah, better. Way better. Holy shit. Dude, that thing was ass. It should have not cooked you like this. It should have not. Let's look at the 2 minute here. We could inverse the 2 minute right here, honestly. But then again, what are we reversing off? But we could inverse that 2 minute just right now in about 4 seconds here. 2 seconds. No inversion. No inversion. No inversion. And a bad, what's it called? A bad reaction off of the close as well. We did inverse the 1 minute though, but so choppy right here, Will. We didn't inverse that one. We inversed that one right there. That's the small one we inversed right here, but super, super, super choppy. We're also tapping into the first presented of, no, it's not the first presented. I'm sorry. I'm lying. First presented is right here. It's super choppy here. Super, 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 super choppy. I'm not liking the chop at all. Portfolio's not liking it at all either. Yes, not yes, but Vo had a nice setup here. I got stepped out BE before on GC, and now it's almost on TP. I think you should full port. No, I'm just kidding. It happens. It happens. It happens. It happened to me as well yesterday twice. It is what it is. Down 100 live money on longs option. Dude, rip. Rip. I didn't take a trade. Just saying it reversed off of it. Okay. Upsetty spaghetti. Upsetty spaghetti. What the hell? Funny though. Alright, let's see. I'm not liking the 2 minute, right? But I guess, you know, but I'm not liking it, if that makes sense. But there's a possible inversion of the 2 minute in 30 seconds. I'd call that a B minus, to be honest. To be honest, just because look at the chop. But looks like yesterday though. If you look at it, it looks just like yesterday. Right here. But yesterday we had a clear sweep though. Yesterday we had a clear sweep. Now it's nothing clear too much, if that makes sense. Nothing too clear right here. 10 points away from the inversion right here as well. It could really well inverse though, but 2 points away from it. 2 points away from the inversion. 10 points, sorry, 5 points now. Nice reaction off that wick though. Let's see. Let's see. Did we inverse? We didn't inverse quite. No, we didn't inverse. We did not inverse. It is going down though. But we didn't inverse. Was this a B plus? I call this a B minus, to be honest. Just because what are we sweeping off, right? What are we sweeping off? That's the big question right here. What are we sweeping off? That's my question right here. We're reversing off of previous week high, I believe. That's what he just said. But other than that, nothing. This could be an eval play though. Not a funded for sure. For sure, not a funded play. Retrace into first presented would be nice. Yes, in the lower side, I would like that. I wouldn't mind that at all. I really wouldn't. You are correct on that. I really wouldn't mind going back to the first presented right there. I wouldn't mind at all. Let's see here. If we can go back to the first presented, you are correct, Alec. This would be fire. This would be actually fire. Does not look like it wants to push lower though, which is weird. We have now inversed that one on ES as well. As you can see, that one's been inversed on ES about a minute ago. Pushing down though. Pushing down pretty heavily. Pretty heavily here. Let's see. Let's see if it keeps going. Hopefully it does. If we can retrace back into that first presented right here, I wouldn't mind at all. I really wouldn't. What do you guys think? I think that would be fire. All right, let's see some more movement down though. We need some more movement in order for that to happen. Not looking good though. Not looking good. Yeah, kind of a bad reaction right there. Really bad reaction and rejection as well from the 1 minute for value gap. I think. Hold on, I'm not looking at the 1 minute. No, there's nothing right here. What's happening? Not much. What about you? How's it going? Peter, you doing well? Hopefully you're chilling, my boy. Hopefully you're chilling. Yep. Let's see. Fucking sucks here. I swear to God, if this goes down, all the way down, what should we do here? What should we do if it goes all the way down? What should we do? What should we do? Let's see. How you guys doing? Trade PM. Yo, Mike, you missed. Oh shit, did I? Would you use the fib on this just to see where the 50% is? Let me check. Let me check. Would you like me to use the fib right here to these lows right there, or from this high to this low right there? I don't use the fib often. I don't use the fib often. BE on the move up, from the bottom. 50% is going to be at that level right here, approximately at that level right here, which could be good partials. Let's say we had a nice inversion, it could have been partial right there. If we had a nice inversion, bro, they're making me work at my job now. What the fuck, bro? Fuck them, fuck them. We went up without manipulation too, so probably leaning bearish. Okay, we're tracing to first. Keep going this way. Lumen wants it to go up almost at midnight. Almost. Wait, where's midnight? I don't see midnight. Yes, almost at midnight. Yes, the 50% is almost at midnight here. Almost at midnight. No. It's just spam wanted me to have it right here, but it's valuable. You know, you can see that the midnight and the low right there, which would be partials if we had a good inversion, would be the partials. Pro. Rose said pro. Ash was good. Ash stopped out. Rip. Do you lost on your what's it called? Your options? Ni hao. You're long? Wait, what did you take on the eval? What did you take? What did Lumen take here? The 2-minute inversion right there? You take the 2-minute inversion? How many points did we go down here? 15. You took this right there? Oh. Oh, true. I did say it could be an eval play. How much did you lose? Dude, Lumen cannot win. Lumen can never win. That's one thing I've noticed. Lumen can never win. Take that. Dude, you win on eval. You win on demo. That's something I give you. Fucking hell. Dude, how many points was your stop loss? If you entered right there? Okay, fairly big move here, fairly big move. But holy chop. Alright, you go back to sleep. You go back to sleep. Guapo, you didn't exit your longs? You didn't exit the long? You didn't that's your longs that you took, right? Holy. Yeah, you did. Okay, you did get good. Okay, that's the longs. What longs were there though? That's my question. It was placed at 3 equal bars at the start of the entry. Hold on. The 3 equal bars. What are we talking here? What are we saying? Sold 5 or you went in with 11? Holy shit. Holy. You lost a lot, that means. Yeah, you live in MQ. But I'm within you lost 500 within seconds on that long. Rip, boys. Rip. But holy chop right here. Super choppy. We gotta be patient. Unfortunately, we gotta be patient. Fucking hell, dude. Lumen, the day we get you a win is the day I'll be happy. Fucking Lumen, dude. Let me make this smaller a bit. Let me make this smaller. 50% of this. Oh, and now it inverses. Now it inverses. No problem. I'm sure you will. I'm sure you will. I'm really sure you will. And now we're getting a fucking nice movement right here. Do we have an SMT right there? We do. We do have a bearish SMT right there. This is the 1 minute. Sorry, it is. I'm looking at the wrong one. But we do have a bearish SMT here now. Is this fire? I don't know, but we do have a bearish SMT here. We do have a bearish SMT. But would you trade this kind of SMT, boys? Would you guys trade this SMT? Would you guys trade this SMT right there? Within the chop, would you trade SMTs right here? Hell no? Okay. Okay. Good. No? Okay. What about DV? I know DV is gonna say yes just to be different. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Of course, I'm just kidding. There's no inversion either, by the way. But let's see what DV has to say. It cannot be real. It got stopped down, and it just to think after. Ah. Rip, DV. DV's cooked. All right, my girlfriend's spamming me. Let's see what she has to say. What do you guys think she has to say? Is she gonna complain or is she gonna be nice to me tonight, this morning? Oh, she looking pretty. Nah, I'm not showing you. All right, let's see. No inversion still. No inversion still. Oh no, she sent me pictures. 2-minute inversion. We do have a 2-minute inversion right here, but holy chop, holy chop, holy chop. But we do have a 2-minute inversion right there. Yeah, I said this one out as well. I said this one out as well, to be honest. We do have a 2-minute inversion. Is it good? I don't think so. To be honest, we're just chopping around. I do it on demo. I do it on demo. That's what I'm saying. I do it on demo. Yeah, he cannot risk a ton anymore. Yes, he cannot. I mean, he can blow the account in a day, but he can't like realistically. Like it might hit boys, but to me it's not good. He could risk the whole account, but if we want to take it normally, like if we want to take it goodly, nicely, in a nice way with good risk management, it's gonna he shouldn't trade anymore. Did you enter that snake, by the way? Or no? Did snake enter that? That's a big question. Did snake take it? I don't think he would be typing if he took. Oh shit, you got stuff on continuation longs? Yeah, damn. If anyone took snake signals, make sure you're break even right now. We've taken this internal low. Even though we still have one, we took in that one as well. 5-minute to 1-minute inversion. Wait, where? We're tapping the 50% of the fib as well. So if you're in that short, take some partial. We're also going to make an SMT right here on the session lows. I did not call that one out, by the way, but it is up 30 points. I did not call it out. Nice spam. You seeing this reaction from the 50% of the fib right here? Spam's got some good insights. Spam's got some good insight. I gotta say, he's got some good insights. Zach, how's the day doing now? How's the day doing now, Zach? I really want to see an SMT on this lows right there. These lows, sorry. Really do. The higher time frame looks way cleaner than the lower one right now. Way cleaner. Way cleaner. I like the higher time frame. The 5-minute looks good as well. Fib tutorial next. Dude, I'd have to get a tutorial. I've never used the fib. That midnight as well. Yes, it did. 50% at midnight. Yeah. I know that like the lower you are here, the better it is for longs. That's all I know. I've never ever used the fib before today. It is custom though. It is custom. Okay, I'm lying. When I first started, I used it, but not anymore. I used it just because I was watching like a video on YouTube and he was saying that it was good. All right, let's do this right here. We have an inversion of the 5. We do almost have an inversion of the 5 right here. Almost. Tapping the midnight open though. But we do have an inversion of the 5. Let's see here. Let's see. What y'all think? What y'all think? Inversion of that 5 right there. The thing is that it's absolute sim. The thing is we may have an inversion of the 5, but we're also tapping the midnight open right there, which is not something I usually look for, but we are. So it's like two converging, if that's the word, confluences. Just not the best day right now. Not a lot of movement. Super slow down. I think I'm gonna wait for the SMT at these lows right there, possibly, to be honest. But holy top tick, holy bottom tick on the midnight open right there. Holy bottom tick. Insane. 2 minutes until the 5-minute closes. We also have a 4-minute close a bit below right here at 83. Let's look at let's stick to the 5 though. Let's stick to the 5 minutes right here. ES is dumping hard though compared to NQ. ES is definitely going way lower. So I wouldn't mind seeing an SMT right here where we kind of do something like that and like that, if that makes sense. I wouldn't mind that. Oh, Estion is in shorts, targeting AM lows, he said. Estion's pretty OG as well. Estion joined probably in 2024 as well. Maybe like something like, I don't know, November, maybe. Estion's an OG. What's the P&L, boys, today? What's the P&L? What's the P&L? What's the P&L? I know some people took some losses. We haven't really found anything, but I know some people took some losses. Yeah, damn. 500. I don't understand the long though. I don't understand the long. But yeah, next week, Dev, the class is gonna be rating setups. You're up to 95. Okay, spam is just cooking, bro. The next week class is gonna be on rating setups plus rating reversal points, right? In your walls. In your walls. He's in your walls. Lumen was good. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Holy reversal from the 12. How you doing? Doing chill. Hey, how you doing? That's Dev. That's Dev for sure. Just needed 285 to pass the eval, so I just took it. Oh yeah. That's the what account? What account? We love Theta. All right, no inversion on the 5-minute here. No inversion on the 5-minute. We do have an inversion on a 1-minute right here. Nothing else though. Nothing else. Nothing else. But yeah, nothing else. What's good, Theta? How you? What's up, Theta? What's happening? Off the 50% right there. Yeah, off the 50%. And the optimal was there though. We completely missed it. Fuck. Continuation day. Any subs? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet insane. The other short right there though, but nothing insane as of now. Wait, what the fuck just happened? I entered that long, by the way, and I just completely just fucking ripped to my TP. Like it did not even hit my TP, by the way. What the fuck just happened? My TP was right there. It didn't. It was a shitty setup, so that's why I didn't call it. But my TP was right there. Did not hit the TP, and I got. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I was, but I don't know what happened. It was a shitty setup, so I didn't call it because that's not the kind of setup I take. But I don't know what the fuck happened here, boys. My TP was right there. Right, my TP was right there, and I got filled somewhere around that area. But I got filled right there, and it never went there. I'm not gonna complain. I'm recording it. You guys will see it. That's really weird, but yeah, I did not call it out because he's not the kind of setup. I'm kind of forward testing the 10 a.m. right now, but I don't know what the fuck happened here. I really don't. But we're up 800 on the day. I don't know what happened though. I really don't. But hey, it is what it is. I really don't know what happened here. I literally I took too long. I was like, fuck it, let me just try that real fast. And in just like this, it went straight to TP without going to TP, if that makes sense. The candle never went to TP. My TP was at 180, and it tapped me out at 159, but filling me up with the 180 TP, which can't complain. But I don't know what happened. It's just right there. That candle was super volatile. 1025. Oh shit. There was news. There was news, boys. There was news. Oh shit. Oh shit. There was news at 1025. There was news. Oh shit. My bad. Yeah, damn. Did you pay for the CME ones? Did you pay for the CME ones, Lumen? Baguette? I don't know what happened here, boys. But yeah, I was in these small longs. It was a not a gamble long, but it was just like a risky one, so I didn't call it out. But yeah, I don't know what happened here. I pay for the You need to pay for the data as well. You need to pay for the data as well. Yeah, it worked out, I guess. You need to pay for the data as well. You need to pay for the CME data, which is like $9, I believe. 10 minutes until the giveaway, by the way. And then I'm gonna put all you guys' name. All right, so we're gonna have Guapo, Guapo, DV, Dev, Vita, Patricia, Celine. Who else in here? Ah, shit, bro. DV, Celine, Dev, Bash. I'm not giving it to you. And we have Snake, Alec, Snake, Alec. Who else? True. Okay, I'll put you in. Spam, Spam, Bash. We also have who we have in here. Who am I missing? Zach, Lumen, OG, yeah. Zach, OG, Lumen, yeah. I'm gonna put as well because he's gonna come back. Alright, who am I missing here? Who am I missing? Theta. I'm missing Theta. Fuck me. Did I put Patricia? Did not put Patricia as well. Am I missing anyone? I don't think I'm missing anyone. No, I put you in the giveaway thingy. DV, did I put DV? Put Dev twice. Dev, I put you twice instead of putting DV. Okay. I say it's already. Wait, what? I put you in 20 times. Wait, did I? Did I even put you in? Hold on. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, so yeah, I will. It's not right now though. It's not right now. It's later. It's not right now. It's a bit later. All right. Who else did I miss anyone? I did not miss anyone. Snake, I think I put you in. I know I remember. Yes, I did. So we got Guapo, Dev, Celine, DV, Snake, Alec, Spam, Bash, Zach, OG, Lumen, Yaya, Az, Theta, and Patricia. Yaya, Az will come later. Bro, Bash. I know you can pay yourself some accounts. If you leave right now, you're not getting it. I know you can pay yourself some accounts. You gotta stay. Nah. It's in 10 minutes. It's in 10 minutes. But I'm really confused on what happened here. I'm really confused. I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna complain, but I don't know what happened with my trade right there. But we're just forward testing right now. We're forward testing these levels to see if these can work for us, right? Because right now with this type of PA, it's really hard for the model. So we're kind of adding these small confluence, which is the 10 a.m. and the midnight. W spam for actually putting that on to me. And so we're testing that out right now with the fib as well. So I took a long right there. I should have taken it right here, to be honest, but I'm just testing these out right now. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened, to be honest. Don't know what happened, but I can't complain. Can't complain. Spin the wheel. We're gonna spin the wheel. I'm gonna get Peter in here. Peter. We're gonna get Peter for the giveaway. Out of everyone, I think that guy deserves it. He's been fucked by prop firms. He spent thousands, upwards of 5 figures on prop firms. YouTube Bash, I know. I know. Lord. No, I took it on Eva. Yeah, you're in there. Bash, you're in there. Don't worry. Bash is begging. Beg harder. Come on. Oh yeah, I will. Don't worry. I will. Hey, the bias was not wrong. We wanted us to sweep these, and then I had this in mind more, but we wanted this to sweep these and then reverse. We got a small reversal, nothing crazy, right? Lumen again. Lumen, you got manipulated it out, which is fucking annoying. But it happens. It happens. Well, let me just text as. Hold on. In 5 minute. Let's see here. Let's see here. We're back. 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 We're sorry. We're back. DV's still here. Yeah, DV. What's the golden pocket of in the fib, bro? Holy shit. I think it's like right here. I believe it's right here, the golden pocket. Let me look it up. I'm pretty sure it's right here. I never used the fib. I never ever use a fib. I'm sure it's super easy to understand though. Between 618 and 6.5. Yeah, so right here and right here. If we 6.5, can I modify it? .65. Yeah, just right here. I was right. I was right. See, I've never really used the fib, but that shit stuck in my head. It's right there. That's the golden pocket. Oh. Hold on. There we go. Nice, thank you. About to add it. Yeah, I added it. Hold on. I'm gonna short CPI, and if they let me on demo, let's just all do that on the thing on demo. Economy shit. See with long. Oh, shorts. With short. Who left? Bash left. All right, giveaway in 6 minutes here, boys. While we're not seeing anything. Yes, the economy is bad. Look at USD CAD, bro. Oh shit, we've lost some, bro. So let's say you get $1,000 payout, right? You get we get $1,398 right now. I want it back here. I want it back here, matter of fact. I want it back here. I want it to all the way to the top. They added the news now? Let me check. Let me check while we wait for that giveaway to happen. The way I'm gonna send you the money to whoever wins, I'm gonna send it to you. If you're in Canada, I'm gonna send it to you via phone number. But if you're like not in Canada, I'm gonna send it to you via oh shit, sweet potato was good. I'm gonna send it to you via crypto. Let me just check if South Africa is banned for Alpha Future. Yeah, South Africa is banned. So Estian, Apple Pay, I don't know how to do it. I really don't. BE on short. Trump speaks later. Wait, they actually added shit. Let me check. Yeah, Trump speaks at 3. Trump speaks at 3. They also added the CPI tomorrow. It was added, I don't know why, but it was added, it says. FF notice. Oh shit, no. Release delayed by 9 day. It was delayed by 9 days. Holy. All right. Let me add sweet potato to the mix on the wheel. Potatoes. Yeah, if you're in Canada, I'm gonna wire you. If you're in the US, I'm gonna crypto it. Get me in coach, yes. Yeah, but I don't have Apple Pay. I don't have Apple Pay. Spin that bitch. Bro. A catalyst run, hopefully, dude. Hopefully. Hopefully. All right. All right. All right, I'm gonna try to get Irvin in here as well. Try to get Irvin in there. Let's see. Market's still not giving us anything. We're about to hit the we've just hit the session high. We now have an SMT. If we are about to get a setup though, we're gonna wait. If we're about to get a setup, we're gonna wait for sure. We may have an inversion right there at the 10 AM levels. Let's see. Bro, where's Peter? Peter, get in here, Peter. Let's get Peter in here. Let's get Peter. Let's get Peter. We need Peter, Az, and Hervin in here. That's what we need. That's what we need. Okay, so the original TP is hit right now. I just don't know why it fucked me up right there, but I got the same amount. All right. Well, I'll let you know. Stay on stream though. Stay on stream. All right, Az should be coming now. I think Az is already in the giveaway thingy. Yeah, Az is already there. Az is already there. Better win this. Hold on. I said get in stream while we're waiting for you. I'll put Irvin still. I'll put Irvin because Irvin. I'll put Irvin still. All right, let's see. We need Az. I want to see if Az can join. Spin that shit. We're gonna wait. 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 I wanna see. Spin it. Alec, hold on. Did I forget Alec? No, we got Alec. For the US winner, can we just get a free month if we win? If you want to, yeah, of course. If let's say it's you and you can choose. You can choose either a free month or alpha. You can choose, I guess. I just want to see gambling. So yeah, if you win, you can choose either the alpha or a free month. It's up to you. Up to you. Up to you. Up to you. Let's see. I want to see ad in here. Practice spin. Should we do a practice spin? Give me snakes and you don't mind. Let's see. Yeah, 3 months. 3 months. The inner circle. No practice spin. We're waiting for ads. I want to see ads in here. I'm gonna remove Bash though. I'm gonna remove Bash. If Bash not here, I'm gonna remove it. Because Bash don't need it. But if I win, make it a real spin. Whoever wins the practice is gonna be pissed. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna keep Az and Urban in, even if they're not here. How do I do this? Oh shit! Wait. All right. You guys ready? You guys stressed or not? Let's make sure everyone's in here. How many people in there? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But let's see. I'm gonna remove Bash since Bash not here. All right. So now you have one more chance. You have one more chance. We have one more chance here. 6.7% of winning. Hey, where do you see that? Where do you see that? Are you just crazy at maths or something? If I win, let's see. Let's see who wins. That's Matt. I'll live stream full port sell. All right, should we do it? Should we do it, boys? Should we do it? It's pointing at you. And just make sure everyone's there. Just make sure everyone's there. Just make sure everyone's there. So 50. Let's do it. All right. Everyone's there. All right. Missing you? We're not missing you. We're not missing you. All right, let's do it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh, we got Irvin. Irvin's not here, but Irvin won. Goddamn, Irvin won. All right. But sweet potato, that was close. That was close. Hold on. Yeah. Irvin won. If he wasn't there, that was yours. Irvin won. All right, so who's DV? Is that Dev? No, DV is my real life buddy. Unfair. Taking up gambling. Hey, whoa. All right, so Irvin won. Let's get back into the chart here. We've swept the internet blowjob table, the blackjack table. All right, let's see. Let's see here. Let's see what he has to say.
In 20 minutes, I call you. Awesome. Bro, I'm in school.
This fucking guy, dude. This guy. All right, we've swept the session high right here. We've swept the session high. Oh, someone left. Someone said, "Urban, fuck you."
But we've swept session high right here. Let's see. Now the real one. Let's do it. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let's see if the real one. Let's see if we had made a practice spin, who would have won. Let's see. I forgot to put Matas in. Would have been DV. That's not the real one though. But if it was a practice, it would have been DV. It would have been DV. It would have been DV. DV's pissed. I know he's pissed right now. I know he's pissed. Rigged. Skip right over you. Yeah, I did it. I did it. Are we looking for shorts? Yes, possibly. Let's lock in right here. We're possibly looking for shorts here. We've swept the current session high. We now have an SMT. Let's lock in. Got potential setup right here. The gap is super small, something I'm not liking. It's 2 points, but that's a possibility right here. The gap is super small. That's something I'm not liking though. But other than that, we have a 2 minute. I like the 2 minute though. I like the 2 minute. Okay, 2 minutes better. 2 minutes better. We do have news in a bit though. I think we have news in. No, we don't have news. We don't have news. The 2 minutes better though. Definitely better. We are tapping the 10 a.m. though. There's a possibility right here. Now, what are we tapping in right here? We've swept that. We did not quite sweep it. Let's see. I was waiting for 192. Why though? Oh, that sweep. So it's gonna close super low. It's gonna close super low, right on the 10 a.m. So be careful. It's gonna close on the 10 a.m. right here. So this is sketchy. Just because we closed on the 10 a.m. right here. Just because of that, it's sketchy to me. Plus, it's getting late. It's 10:44. Be careful, right? Let's say you enter on that. Make sure you go break even super quick, just because of the time that we are. Volatility is gonna die down. I'm not in at all. I'm not liking it that much. I'm really not liking it. We've hit that, so I'm really not liking it. So be careful. I'm personally not taking this. The win, new name, boys. So yeah, I'm not taking this. Guapo. Yeah, I'm not taking the short, boys. I'm not taking the short. I'm not liking it. We've tapped the 10 a.m. I'm not taking it. Unfortunate tap, though. Unfortunate tap. Let's say we had closed right there, right? You could have entered short at 168 for the break even to be right there, which would be a quick break even. But, you know, it would have been you trade what the market gives you. IVG got bounced multiple times. I'm not trading. Yeah, I'm not trading that either. I'm not trading that one. I am not trading that bitch at all. No way at all. There's no way I'm trading that one. Jesus. Never mind, I'm trading it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you're in, do make sure you're break even. Yeah, what the fuck was that? He must have said something. 10:45 right now. Yeah, if you entered right there, you should be break evened. I don't know what happened right here. Just like that long right there. I don't know what happened, to be honest. But yeah, break even trade. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Can trust FVG's O's. You know what? I like FVG's has been touched a lot for reversal points, essentially. But yeah, break even on that one, boys. Not bad. I don't know what that was right here, but yeah, we had a good stream. We had an unfortunate short right here that Lumen got manipulated out again until it hit the partial points, and then that one's just a break even. But I'm happy we're finding setups on hard days like these because these are hard days. These are hard days to trade. You know what? Yeah, explain. What do you mean? Why you care about 10 a.m.? Dude, I don't know. It's just I know, but it's just something we've noticed that we get a lot of reversal from. We get a lot of reversal from these points. Like right here, we got a nice reversal. Where else? Last day, like 2 days ago, we got a nice reversal from them. So I'm kind of just testing the water a bit too, so we can add some confidence when we have price action like we have right now, which is like continuation PA essentially. So I'm just testing the water for some continuation. Nerd, valid. Yeah, we had a as was good as Irvin won the giveaway. Unfortunately, Irvin won the giveaway. Let's see here. Let's see. Matos was good. Matos Irvin won the giveaway. He won a Alpha Future account. What the fuck is this price action? Facts. Holy shit, my music I'm listening to is absolutely ass. Yeah, pretty good stream, honestly. Pretty good stream. Say that again. Irvin won the live, the thingy. There's times of massive order rejection in the book where you just woke up. Oh shit, you just woke up. Matos, W Matos, but yeah, we had a good stream. Not a lot of cooks, but this price action stuff, tough price action. I am a trade. Yeah, you're a bitch, Matos. You're a bitch. But yeah, yo was good. As was good. What happened? Irvin won the giveaway today. Irvin won the giveaway. Yup. GG's. GG Irvin. What did you do? We did a spin the wheel. All recorded as well. Oh, as giveaway, I did the alpha. GG. I slipped in a 20 to rig it. I did the alpha, yeah. Alpha 0, yeah. Alpha 0, so the guy that wins doesn't have to pay the activation fee, so it's not like a poisoned gift. Does that make sense? Because I give you an account, you get the account for free, but then you have to pay $200 for fucking activation fee. That's like a poison gift. And I'm not paying the activation fee. Lord. But yeah, W, pay me activation. Dude. Up $14 on the day? Oh yeah, I'm up 769. Dubs. But yeah, W day. Hey, better than nothing. Yeah, he passed. Oh, I think he passed. I think he's like 69. I think he's like $200 off. 400? Oh, you lost one? No, 300. You're up. You need 217. So yeah, we had a good live stream. Not a lot of cooks, but honestly, it's just a continuation. Yeah, it's just a continuation model, so it's kind of shitty to be honest. But it's kind of bad. It's kind of ass. But you guys know when we're not in continuation. You guys know we cook, and we cook these 100 points straight and 100 points days. You guys know, but it's just been a lot of continuation in the past month, to be honest. You can see right here a lot of continuation. So this is stuff. Today was D delivery. Dick delivery. I don't know what D means. Dimitri? Delivery. Oh shit. Distribution. Alright. We had a good live stream. How did you guys like the live stream? Because we had a giveaway. It was nice. We didn't catch too much, but it was nice still. It was cool until I lost. You lost? Best live stream, 2 out of 10. Fuck you. Chill. Okay. First stream and it was lit. All right. Happy about that. The giveaway. Oh, until you lost the giveaway. Okay. First one too. Hit me up on WhatsApp for the trade. Yes, I will. Irvin's gonna call me in a bit though. But yeah, it was a W stream. I'm happy about that. The vibes were there. Honestly, the setups were not too great, but just continuation. Sasail, what does that mean? W stream. All right, I'm happy you guys liked it. Lumen got manipulated out again, out of a winning trade. Two days in a row. It happens. I got lucky on mine. I don't know what the fuck happened. But yeah. Some Spanish in here. Who else speaks another language? Who speaks another language here? Apart from Zach, DV, Yaya, Has, Metas. Yeah. Who else speaks another? So you speak 5? What language do you guys speak? Yeah, what language do you guys speak? I speak another language, but I'll only tell you in DMs. Well, I know what it is. Habla español. Okay. I speak Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Tagalog, Italian, English, and Spanish. English or Spanish? I speak English and Spanish, and I just started learning Italian. Okay. No Spanish. The thing with Spanish, French, and Italian, it's pretty much the same thing. Like, no, not really, not French, but like I can read Spanish, and I can read Spanish. Okay. I speak English. Okay, I mean it. I can read Italian and Spanish. I can't speak it, but I can read it and understand it. But there's no way I'm keeping the conversation up or I'm writing a text. There's no way, no way. But reading it's super easy. Super, super easy. Patricia, do you speak any other languages? NMMS. What would that mean? Spanish? Okay, okay. So there's a lot of Spanish speaker in here. We have OG, we have Haz, we have Patricia. I'm guessing Deb as well. See? Theta speaks French a bit. I don't know why, but he does speak French a bit. It's just funny. It's quite funny. Me, Zach, and Alec are gonna meet up in 2 days, dude. Un peu. And Vietnamese? You speak Vietnamese as well? And we gotta get Demon in here. Demon speaks Vietnamese. We're gonna teach you some Spanish to Michael, dude. Hell yeah! The thing is, it's easy to read and like let's see. Let me ask ChatGPT to write something to me in English, in Spanish. Write something to me in Spanish. Hopefully, I'm not making a fool of myself. The transformation. No, sorry. The discipline for transformation of something. Look. Sorry. Easier. Alright, never mind. I don't know Spanish. But my girlfriend sent me something in Spanish when she was going to Bolivia, and I could read it. But now I made a fool of myself. Hey, are we having a Houston meetup, bro? We're meeting up in Hawaii. They just said I can trade core CPI on eval MFFU. We locked into twin, but that means we can try to make a gazillion. Bro, I'm just glad you can read candle better than words. Yeah, true. That's something, dude. Yeah, you have a good day. I'm gonna leave as well. We had a super. It was fun. The vibes were there. The setups were not that there, but the vibes were there. I'm super happy. That's all that matters at the end of the day. We have vibes. Yes, sir. You guys have a good day. I'm gonna call with Irvin, and then I'm gonna do the trade recap on the live, and hopefully see you guys there. And yeah, we had a good day. Yes, sir. Peace out, boys.